In a landmark move, Cabinet approved the partial privatization of the Kenya Pipeline Company, paving the way for Kenyans to buy shares through the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The government says this will unlock KPC's full commercial potential, inject private capital, and reduce inefficiencies, mirroring past successes like Safaricom and KenGen. KPC, a key player in Kenya's fuel transport network, is expected to benefit from modernization and private sector discipline. To tackle failures in the healthcare delivery, Cabinet endorsed the Quality Healthcare and Patient Safety Bill 2025, which establishes a central authority to enforce patients' rights, regulate facilities, and eliminate malpractice. Cabinet also adopted key proposals from the Presidential Task Force on Religious Organizations, introduced after the Shakahola tragedy. To address pending bills in the roads sector, Cabinet approved a top-up of 40% on verified contractor claims, bringing total settlement to 80% under the Road Maintenance Levy Fund. So far, 64.2 billion shillings has been approved for disbursements, covering 575 contracts across 393 projects. Cabinet also approved Phase 3 of the Last Mile Connectivity Project, targeting 180,500 new electricity connections in homes, schools, health centers, and small businesses. Counties with low electricity access will be prioritized. In a rollout supported by the African Development Bank and the Canada AFDB Climate Fund. In geothermal energy, the government gave a go-ahead to the All-Carrier 8 power project, which will inject 80.3 megawatts of clean electricity into the grid by 2027. Meanwhile, in conservation, Cabinet ratified the transfer of Amboseli National Park to Kajiado County, adopting a phased co-management model in line with the presidential directive. Cabinet also approved the Power of the Mercy Bill, aimed at modernizing the presidential pardon system. The bill introduces a structured framework for pardons and supervised early release of reformed inmates, helping to reduce overcrowding and cut the 87,600 shillings annual cost per inmate. The new framework also strengthens public safety through reintegration protocols and clearer accountability in the clemency process. Fatma Chidagaya, K24, Nairobi.